No!
May avocado, may buko, may... Oh my God.
And then Parmesan cheese. Guys, come on, tasting time.
Hala?
Ko.
Hala, ba't ang sarap?
Oh my God!
Hala, sarap. Katamtaman lang yung tamis, hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Juana's channel. For today's video, we will make creamy avocado buko dessert. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Mama Juana's channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my video. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, we're now ready to prepare our creamy avocado buko dessert. So first thing, we have 2 pieces of avocados here and we're going to mash the 2 pieces of avocado. Next, we will do our cream mixture. So we have 1 can of all-purpose cream. And then mix it with half can of sweet condensed milk. Then we're going to beat this until stable and smooth. And then add on the 2 pieces of mashed, and then add on the 2 pieces of mashed avocado. And then mix again. Guys, make sure that your pre-mixture is stable and smooth. So I mix this for about 5 to 8 minutes. So next is the assembly time. I have here avocado muffins. So first thing, you have to put on the cream as your base. And then I have here some slices of the avocado muffin. And then put some cream. And then next is our avocado slices. Just spread it out. And then next, our buko, our young coconut. And then next is the Parmesan cheese. But it's up to you guys if you don't like cheese. So it's your option. It's up to you. And then cover again with the cream mixture. And then again, the avocado muffin. You can really see the chunks of the avocado. And lastly, again, the cream. And then again, for our toppings, spread out the avocado slices. Okay guys, we're now ready for our buko for the young coconut. As for our toppings, and lastly, I have here the pureed avocado. Okay guys, tapos na ang ating creamy avocado buko dessert. And then the tasting time. Come on in now.
Tasting na!
Oh, ayan.
Wow! Dessert pa to?
Oh yeah,
Dessert o
overload.
lasagna?
No!
May avocado, may buko, may... Oh my God.
And then parmesan cheese.
Excited ko, hindi
And
ko
then
alam.
also, listen, there's also a avocado muffin as the base.
So lahat ng avocado?
Avocado. Okay, we're featuring avocado.
Excited na ako. Anong lasa
Okay,
nito.
guys, come on, tasting time.
Hello?
Oh, ano? Perfect?
Ano yung chewy?
Chewy? It's the, buko.
Hala, ba't ang sarap?
Oh my God!
Hala, sarap. Katamtaman lang yung tamis, hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Yeah, just, alam nyo guys, the perfect combination, perfect partner ng avocado is the buko!
Hala, sarap talaga.
Yung coconut. Okay.
Ang sarap, panalo. Oo.
Sarap. Sarap to the max. Okay guys, that's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quata's